Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Dragon fruit, you may all familiar with this kind of fruit during grocery shopping. It provides a bunch of health benefits, including protective antioxidant and help you to boost your immune system. The unique color of the red dragon fruit can be a very good source of food additives. Today I'm going to continue my fried rice series. I'm going to share with you a simple recipe. It's called dragon fruit fried rice. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. We need chopped scallion, separate egg yolk from egg white. Add half tablespoon milk to the egg white and yolk and mix them well. Prepare 6 grams of red dragon fruit and mince it well with the food processor. About 250 grams overnight leftover rice. Pour the dragon fruit over the rice and thoroughly mix it to make sure every grain of the rice is stained with the dragon fruit. Now let's first stir fry the egg white and the egg yolk separately. Then stir fry the rice. Add some scallion and keep stir fry. Add a teaspoon salt and chicken bone and keep stir fry. Add some more scallion. Add the egg white and egg yolk and keep stir fry. This is dragon fruit fried rice I'm talking about. The unique color and the flavor of the dragon fruit make this dish that you don't want to miss. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.